is always affected by what is going on out in space. The seasons are changing, but a lot more is happening than the changing of leaves. Seasons are affected by solstices and equinoxes. There is the winter solstice, the vernal equinox, the summer solstice, and the autumnal equinox. A solstice is when the sun in the sky reaches its northernmost or southernmost extremes. This happens because of the Earth's tilt. The summer solstice marks the first day of summer around the 21st of June. On that day in the northern hemisphere, the sun is the highest it ever gets, which results in the summer solstice being the longest day of the year. The northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, so the sun is located right above the northern continents. But the winter solstice is the opposite. It occurs around the 21st of December, and the sun is very low in the sky. This results in the shortest day of the year because the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the sun. An equinox is different than a solstice. An equinox is when the sun is directly over the equator and the sun is shining on half of the Earth equally. However, most places on Earth aren't seeing exactly 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night. Also during an equinox, the Earth's axis isn't tilting towards or away from the sun. There are two equinoxes, the vernal equinox, which occurs at the end of March, and the autumnal equinox, which occurs at the end of September. They work the same way, but the difference is that they occur on different sides of the sun. The vernal equinox is around the start of spring, because after the equinox, the northern hemisphere will be tilting toward the sun, so it'll get warmer. The autumnal equinox is the opposite. The northern hemisphere starts tilting away from the sun around the first day of fall, and it starts to get colder. It was officially fall on September 22nd this year, but the autumnal equinox is on September 23rd because the equinox is actually determined by the placement of the Earth in relation to the sun. So, after the autumnal equinox on the 23rd, we will start seeing more night than day. Back on Earth.